In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can connect CJ Dropshipping to your Etsy shop, okay? Now, this is very easy and quick. Now, the reason why, guys, I use CJ is because of the shipping time. And also, you can find a lot of handmade products compared to AliExpress or any other e-commerce website. Now, a lot of people use AliExpress, but a lot of people too, they go to banned because they think that they can list any product on their Etsy account, they can dropship any product, and then they can start making money. Now, that's not how it works on Etsy, because Etsy is special. Now, if you search, for example, on, Etsy, okay? I'm just going to search for Etsy alone. And as you can see, Etsy says here, shop for handmade. Okay, so you can only find here handmade products. You can find, for example, you can find the iPhone cases, but you can't find the AirPods, because AirPods, like, no one can make AirPods at home. So that's what I want you guys to understand. Never list a product that is not handmade. Now, after, guys, you understand this, you want to go to CJ, okay, and then you want to create an account. You want to click on register in the top right, click create an account. I created an account using Google. You can just you have multiple options to choose from. You can create an account using Facebook or whatever. Now you want to click on authorization in the top left, guys, okay, and then you want to select here Etsy, okay. Now, after, guys, you select Etsy, you want to click on add store, okay. By the way, after you connect Etsy to CJ, after you get a sale on Etsy, after someone buys from you the product from Etsy, CJ will take care of everything, and they know the address of the customer because you connected your CJ to Etsy. Like, they know the address, they know everything about the customer, so they will ship the item automatically, okay. Now, after you create, guys, a shop on Etsy, if you don't know how to create a shop on Etsy, just want to search on YouTube how to create a shop on Etsy, and then you will be able, guys, to create a shop, okay. Now, probably you already have a shop. Now, after you create a shop, you want to click on add store, and you want to connect that Etsy account to your shop. I'm going to do that right now. You want to log into your Etsy account so that you can give the permission to Etsy. So, okay, it says here authorization success, but for you, because I already linked this to my CJ, that's why it took me directly to this page. Now, for you will have to scroll down a little bit and click on grant access. It will ask you, guys, Etsy will ask you if you are going to give permission to CJ. You want to say yes, and then click grant access at the very bottom, okay. Now it will take you to this page. Now what you need to do, guys, next, you want to scroll down and click on list now, okay, or you want to click on dropshipping.com in the top left. You want to just search for a product that you are going to list on your Etsy. Now, like I said, guys, don't ever list something that is not handmade. Always go with handmade products. I'm going to search for handmade products right now, okay. Now, to find a winning product, by the way, you want to search on Etsy for what people are selling on Etsy, and you want to search for it on CJ. Here, as you can see, I'm just going to take, for example, cases, okay, for example, this one, and you want to click list. After you click on list, guys, you want to enter here you want to select your shop here. If you like, as you can see, the store, this is the store that we want to use, and the tags you want to add, for example, cases. Click this plus. All right, now you want to add the price. By the way, this is how much this is how much CJ will charge you every time you sell this item on your shop, on your Etsy shop. They will take the $5 of the money, okay. Now what you need, guys, you want to increase the price. Where it says your price, you want to increase this. You want to click here, and you want to add your price. For example, CJ will take $5. Then I'm going to sell this item for $9.99 or whatever. Click OK, and then you want to scroll down at the very bottom. You want to click here on CJ packet. You want to select a CJ packet sensitive, because this one is faster, the shipping time is faster. Here you want to select United States if you haven't done that already. Ship my orders most to United States, And this is the estimated delivery time. It's 8 to 18 days, which is good. Most Etsy buyers, they don't really care. And you want to click on list it now. Okay, now after guys you click on list it now, then you have successfully listed the product. Now you just want to wait for the item to get a sale. That's it. You want to wait a few seconds and that item will appear on your Etsy shop. Now what you need to do guys next, you want to drop a like on this video and you want to watch the video in the screen to learn more about how you can start dropshipping. Now I suggest you guys to start eBay dropshipping. It's way better, way profitable, because this Etsy dropshipping is more competitive. So you will have to get a lot of sales to make money, but eBay dropshipping is the best. I make $7,000 every single month on eBay. So click the video on the screen and drop a like, and see you guys in the next video.